Stop everything you're doing right now because the biggest drone leak of the year has just dropped, and it changes absolutely everything we know about FPV flying. If you thought you knew what DJI was planning for their next big release, you are in for a massive shock. We finally have official documents revealing the highly anticipated DJI Avata 360, and the specifications are mind-blowing. People have been arguing for months about what this drone would look like, how much it would weigh, and whether a true 360-degree FPV drone was even possible. Well, the debate ends today. This is not just another tiny upgrade. This is a complete redesign of how we capture aerial footage. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly why this new drone is breaking all the rules. For a very long time, the entire drone community has been obsessed with one single question. Will the new Avata 360 weigh under 250 grams? In the drone world, keeping a drone under 250 grams is the golden rule because it allows pilots to fly with fewer restrictions. Many people believe DJI would perform some sort of engineering magic to fit a full 360-degree camera system into a super lightweight plastic frame. Others said it was physically impossible. The freshly leaked documents have finally given us the answer. The DJI Avata 360 is officially heavier than 250 grams. But before you get upset, you need to understand that this extra weight is not a mistake. In fact, it is exactly what makes this drone an absolute beast. DJI is not trying to make a fragile, ultralight toy. They are building a heavy-duty machine that combines extreme, aggressive FPV flight with professional-grade 360-degree video capture. This is something that no other drone on the market can currently do. Let us start by looking at the battery because this reveals a lot about DJI's secret strategy. The leaked documents show that the Avata 360 has a massive battery capacity of around 38.67 watt-hours. When you compare that to the older Avata 2, which only had a 31.7 watt-hour battery, you're looking at a massive 26% increase in power. Naturally, you might think a bigger battery just means you get a longer flight time. But that is not the case here. DJI did not add a bigger battery just to keep the drone in the air longer. They added it because they're powering two incredibly demanding systems at the exact same time. The Avata 360 features dual fisheye cameras that capture full 360-degree footage simultaneously. Each of these cameras has its own high-resolution sensor and its own heavy-duty processing unit. When you add the rotating camera mechanism, the control motors, the FPV flight controllers, and the powerful propulsion system, you quickly realize why DJI needed to put a much bigger battery inside this drone. It is not about flight time. It is about handling the massive power required to run a dual-function drone without it crashing or overheating. Plus one. Now, let's talk more about that weight. The larger battery alone adds about 15 to 20 grams. Then you have to add the dual camera sensors, the dual processors, the rotating camera motor system, the reinforced structural frame, and an enhanced cooling system. All of this easily pushes the drone well over 300. DJI put a massive focus on protection. They have built a heavy-duty protective cage around the entire 360 camera system. This means creators can fly as aggressively as they want without constantly worrying about destroying an expensive camera lens. If you look at most 360 drones today, they usually have fully exposed cameras mounted on fragile gimbals. That design works fine if you're just flying slowly in an open field to get a cinematic shot. But in high-speed FPV action, one simple crash into a DJI has completely solved this problem. But the most exciting feature of all is the rotating camera mechanism. The camera on this drone is not locked in one place. It actually rotates mechanically to adapt to whatever flight mode you are using. When you switch into FPV mode, the camera rotates to give you a forward-facing perspective so you can see exactly where you're flying at high speeds. Then, when you switch to 360 mode, the lenses automatically reposition themselves to capture a complete spherical view without getting the propellers or the drone body in the shot. This mechanical system requires extremely precise motors, complex control algorithms, and advanced stabilization, all built tough enough to survive a crash. Yes, this mechanical system adds even more weight, but gives creators a level of freedom that simply does not exist anywhere else. You might be wondering why DJI is building such a complex machine right now. The answer is highly strategic. Insta360, which is DJI's biggest rival in the camera space, is launching their own dedicated 360 drone called the Anti-Gravity A1 in 2026. DJI could have easily built a boring, traditional 360 drone to compete with them. But instead, DJI used their massive advantage in FPV technology. The Avata 360 is the first drone in history to combine the agility of an FPV racer with the power of a 360 camera. Now, content creators can fly rapidly through thick forests, chase mountain bikers down dirt trails, do flips and rolls, and still capture every single angle perfectly in 360 degrees. While the Insta360 A1 is going to focus on slow, smooth, cinematic footage, DJI is directly targeting high-speed action, proximity flying, and deeply immersive